Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about one of the most powerful tools that can transform any small business, and that is artificial intelligence, or AI. If you're a shop owner, freelancer, online seller, or a new startup, this video is going to show you how AI can help you increase profit, reduce costs, and grow faster. The truth is, AI is not just for big companies anymore. In 2025, AI tools have become so affordable and easy to use, and if you are not using AI, you're already behind your competitors. So let's break down exactly how small businesses can use AI to make more money. 1. Automate daily tasks. Small business owners spend hours on tasks like answering messages, managing orders, updating spreadsheets, writing captions, and creating designs. AI can automate most of this. ChatGPT can write emails, product descriptions, or social media posts in seconds. AI scheduling tools can automatically post your content at the best time. AI invoice generators can create bills without manual work. 2 to 3 hours daily, time saved by automating tasks with AI too. Smarter marketing. Marketing is the heart of any business, but it takes time and creativity. AI makes this super easy. AI can help you with writing Facebook, Instagram ads, creating posters and banners, generating product photos, finding trending keywords, planning your social media calendar. Tools like Canva AI, ChatGPT, and Meta Ads AI tell you what content performs best. This means your marketing becomes more powerful, more targeted, and more profitable. Imagine posting ads that actually bring paying customers. AI makes that possible. 3. AI chatbots for customer support. Customers want quick replies. If you take hours to respond, they move to someone else. AI chatbots can answer common questions 24/7, such as product details, order tracking, pricing, availability. This means faster replies, more sales, fewer missed customers, and you save money because you don't need to hire a full support team. 4. Data insights and smart decision-making. AI can analyze your business data in ways that humans can't. It can tell you which product is selling the most, what your customers like, what time people buy the most, which ads give the best results, where you're losing money. With AI-powered analytics tools like Google Analytics, Shopify AI, and CRM systems, you make decisions based on facts, not guesswork. Better decisions equals higher profit. 5. AI for product improvement. AI also helps you develop better products. You can generate product ideas, test different designs, predict which product will trend, improve packaging and branding, check customer feedback automatically. This allows small businesses to compete with big brands. So in summary, AI helps small businesses by saving time through automation, improving marketing results, boosting customer service, giving powerful data insights, enhancing products and branding. If you start using AI today, your business can grow much faster than you imagine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.